All right, you guys, this is kind of a different video than what we usually do, but
it's still beauty related.
It's very beauty related, and it's sale related, and we all love a sale. Speaking of sales, the 21 days of Ulta Beauty sale is about to start on September 1st.
Yeah.
And if you guys don't know what this is, it's basically very like self-explanatory. 21 days of sales at Ulta.
And you guys, this isn't just like 10% off. Like they have a really amazing finds and bargains that like you really want to like plan ahead for.
So what we're here for is to give you guys some tips on getting these products, and we're gonna name off some of our favorites on the list, and to the fact that we're surprised that they actually made it on the list. Okay, so some tips, you guys, when you're gonna be shopping for the 21 days of beauty. One of them is print out the calendar and list of products. So we have that in the description below. We have the full list, the days each sale is happening. So what happens?
Because it's not just everything all at once on sale. It's different days for different products.
Exactly. So it's 21 days of sale. So every day for 21 days, 2 to 3 products go on sale, but like ridiculous sale. Like it'll go from like a $20 item to like a $7 sale. So we have the list in the description, but what you want to do is print this list that we're giving you and highlight the ones you want to get on each day,
like what we did.
So kind of like make a calendar for the sale, so you know every day what's gonna go on sale. Okay, so number 2, it's super important because things sell out.
They do.
Okay, and the smart
One time I had something sell out while I put it in the cart, continued to look around, and it sold out by the time I got to
I remember
checkout.
It was the Lancome Hypnose Mascara. You were buying it for me.
I was really upset.
So what you want to do, so the sale items go live at 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Okay.
Every day. So once 10 o'clock hits, the sale from the day before is gone, and the new sale starts. If you wait till the morning to buy something, chances are, especially if it's like a super popular item, like some of these right here, they're gonna sell out. So I highly recommend printing out the calendar, highlighting the ones you want, and setting an alarm every day that you want a product to wake up at 10 o'clock or to go live at 10. This is really serious. Another thing is take advantage of the free shipping. So they offer free shipping for Platinum or Diamond Ulta Rewards members, or if you spend $50. So if you're buying something that's $30 or it was $70, now it's $30, just add some stuff in there. I know it like sucks, but like things that like look around your house, like a $3 soap or like a $2 cleansing wipe, a mask, you know, you always need to stock up on those things, and make sure to take advantage of the free shipping. So you could take advantage of the sale.
I don't even remember the last time I spent less than $50 when it came to shopping.
But no,
but the prices are really good.
And it's 21 days.
I know, there's multiple days.
You're gonna buy more than one thing. So now we're gonna go through the list of items and let you guys know the ones that really stand out to us. Okay, on September 1st, it launches with 2 items on sale. Peter Thomas Roth. Amazing
brand.
That goes on sale for Peter Thomas Roth, you want to get, because the brand is just such a good brand, and all his products are amazing. Specifically, the sale items are the 360 Eye Renewal and the Retinol Fusion PM Eye Cream. So it's going down from $75 to $55 and $38 to $28.
Amazing.
That's a really big deal. And then this next product is probably the best primer I've ever used in my life.
It's also the best-selling primer of all time.
The Benefit Cosmetics POREfessional Face Primer. You guys ready? From $54, it's going to $32.
That's crazy.
That's the big bottle, and the small bottle is going from $27 to $16.
These are some serious deals, you guys.
Right?
Yeah.
September 2nd, we have 4 items going on sale. The one that really stood out to me was the Mario Badescu Rose Hip Nourishing Oil, which is going to go from $22 to $11.
Half off. I'm down.
That's crazy.
Yep.
September 4, we have the Skyn Iceland Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels, which is going from $32 to $18.
Okay.
I always stock up on the eye gels. Yeah. And then September 5, we have the Tarte Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner.
Okay.
Which is going from $24 to $12.
It's a really good eyeliner.
And MAC lipsticks in Diva and Cream in Your Coffee, which are like super, super, super popular colors. Going from $19
$9
to $9, you guys.
That's crazy. When was the last time you were able to buy MAC lipstick for $9?
Yeah. On September 6th, I'm very excited about this one. The Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. It's a Lancome mascara.
Yeah.
It's going from, ready?
I'm ready.
$25 to $13.
But learn from my mistake. As soon as you put it in the cart, you check out. Okay?
At 10 p.m.
Yeah.
Don't wait till the next day.
And you know what? This is a good opportunity for you to buy extra makeup to meet your $50 minimum and then give it away as Christmas gifts to like girlfriends.
That's a good one.
Right? Or stocking stuffers.
Yeah, that's a really good one.
Yeah.
September 7 is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, which I know you love.
Amazing.
It's $23. You know how much it's going to be selling for?
$12, you guys.
Crazy. And then also on the same day, the Too Faced Natural Face and Eye Palettes. It's going from $44 to $38.
Oh my god.
Big deal. September 9, Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. Huge. $34 to $17.
That's a really good setting powder. I currently use it actually.
September 10, the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. You know, I highlighted this because I've actually never used Dr. Brandt products, but I hear...
You haven't?
No.
Oh my god, it's so good.
But I hear so much about it. It's going from $42 to $22.
Isn't that amazing? Half off, you guys.
And then on September 12, the Mario Badescu cleansers are going from $14 to $7. $7. Okay, cleansers.
Okay, I'm definitely marking my calendar for that one.
And then September 13, we have the Clarisonic cleaning brush heads. If you use them. Oh wow. Okay, yeah, 27 to 7. That is crazy.
Okay, I'm gonna bite
That is a
those.
really big deal. Okay, this is gonna be.
Oh damn.
This is gonna sell out in like seconds. On September 14. Kylie Cosmetics Matte and Velvet Lip Kits are going from $27 to $29 to $14 to $15.
Wow. And the lip kits include the lip liner, don't forget.
Yeah.
That's why it's kind of like a big deal.
And then also the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation, which is amazing. It's going from $40 to $20. I'm going to definitely buy the IT Cosmetics Foundation and wait until after I give birth. Because you can't use it when you're pregnant. I'm going to use it after. But it's going from $40 to $20. That's a huge deal. September 15, the Tarte Tartelette 2-in-1 Bloom Clay Eyeshadow Palette is going from $39 to $11.
Wow.
On September 16, the IT brushes for Ulta Velvet Lux brushes are going from $48 to $24. Okay. On September 17, this I'm super excited about because I actually use this product. The CoverFX Perfect Setting Powder.
Oh yeah, you like that one.
Is going from $35 to $18. That's a really big deal because I know you guys actually always message and ask about our setting powders, like which ones we like. CoverFX is one of my top favorites.
This is a look I'm just making because I saw what the next one is.
September 18, First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser, which is something that I literally have on repeat all the time.
I can't live without it.
Yeah. $21 to $11.
That's the day I'm spending most of my money. I'm gonna buy like 4.
It's crazy because $11 is like, I think it's $11 or $12.
It's $12 for the trial size one.
Yeah, the trial size one. Okay, September 19, one of our favorite brands, Dose of Colors. Their matte liquid lipsticks are going from $18
to $9.
$9. That is
crazy.
Freaking crazy. Okay.
I'm actually gonna buy a bunch of those.
I'm gonna buy
stocking stuffers too.
I'm gonna buy like the entire collection. Every single color is my favorite color. On September 20, the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Full Coverage Waterproof Concealer.
Oh, you love that one.
It's going from $26 to $13.
Oh my god.
And then on the final day, on September 21st, the Benefit Cosmetics My Brow Pencil is going from $24 to $12.
So as you can see, most of these are gonna be 50% off.
Or
more, which is an amazing deal. So like Nora said, print out the calendar, mark your days, be ready, because if you don't buy it at 10, like when it goes, chances are it'll probably sell out.
Yeah. Okay, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yay! It's a little insight for you guys. And if you have any comments or questions about the sale or just in general, leave them in the comments below. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel by clicking one of the buttons that are going to pop up. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Love you!